Hi there. This is Rather Man. I'm going to talk about the right to repair and how hard it is for some Bose items to be repaired without using a saw. I'm serious. To get to the subwoofer to repair, to get this one out, you take the 4 screws off here, back cover, disconnect the interface, of course, and then you got your transformer and your amp, and you cut right along here. And hold on. So then, after you cut, you get access to the woofer so that I can replace the subwoofer with a working subwoofer, dual coil that will work on left and right. And so then the other part here is there was a loose piece, so I had to also cut the front because something is rattling inside. So I had to cut the front. So here we have a box. These are not cheap, and I'm going to see if this turned out. There I have it. Right to repair. Bose, and how hard it is to repair one of their subwoofers that costs more than a few $100. I know that. Thanks for tuning in. Ding, 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 ding.